having a slippy, slidey day with this mirror today. Hey, I'm making a really brief video about the taxes, and we're going to talk about the property taxes. I'm not a tax expert, but this is about the real estate tax. The assessments or proposed assessments are coming in the mail, and somebody in the Bonita Springs Estero Community Forum made a remark that their property taxes have nearly doubled, and that can actually happen considering that this person then added the information they purchased the home in 2018. So when you purchase a home, the property will get reassessed depending on what the prior owner's use of the home was and the condition that they had the home in the tax roll. Let me just clarify this. I'm like rambling. If the previous owner had it homesteaded, the homestead exemption helps retard the tax growth, so they don't get taxed out of their home in essence. And just to simplify it, I lived in my home for nearly 20 years. My taxes at the highest were $1,600. I purchased in 1998 or 1997 or something like that. My neighbor down the way built the same floor plan several years later in the height of the housing boom, and his taxes were like $4,600. So he was taxed at a different time, and he wasn't homestead, and he paid a higher rate, etc. All of that was the perfect storm for higher taxes. So you purchase a home in 2018 from somebody that had a condition like me, where they lived in the homestead. They bought it at a very affordable price. It was homestead. It kept the tax basis low. Plus, they could have had other exemptions, such as a disability exemption, widower exemption. I don't know what the specific deal was with this property. The next year, the homeowner that purchased the home gets reassessed. So 2018 purchase gets reassessed for 2019. Here we are in 2019. The proposed taxes come out, and it's a surprise because they are tremendously different. This is one of the things that we tell people that are shopping for real estate. They'll say, but the taxes are so much better on this home. Well, it'll get reassessed, guaranteed. The 2019 taxes, just for good measure, are always based on the last full calendar year's sales. So 2019 taxes are based on the assessed values of sales in 2018. 2019 sales will be affecting the 2020 tax assessments. So I don't know if that clears up what this person's problem is, but I have a feeling that's what it is. Secondly, the tax assessor office phone number is on that invoice, and you can call them. I've had several clients that just had lots of questions about exemptions or what their next tax bill is going to look like, or even when you're purchasing a property, they can help you estimate what your next proposed tax bill is going to be. And you might want to give them a call. They've been very kind and helpful on the phone. It's probably a busy time of the year, so maybe give them like a little extra patience. And that's it. I hope that helps anybody with a little bit of the tax woes now that everybody's probably looking at what their tax bill is coming in at.